What makes plastics manufacturing so exciting is it changes every day. We're not bored. None of our employees are bored.
My employees are always doing something different. It isn't like, an assembly line work where day after day you're putting this bracket on this little widget, hour after hour. That's not the type of work that we do. If you like doing different things and working with your hands, this might be a good fit.
One of our quality engineers, he is a gamer. Loves programming. He's writing programs that do the coordinated inspection that's automated for it. And he loves it because he's a gamer. So it's for him, it's like programming in a video game.
So the good news is people will always have to eat. And so food industry is a great business to be in for that fact alone, is that we'll always have to have a safe and nutritious food supply for human beings. We ship product all over the world today.
We have product Ireland, Saudi Arabia, the Netherlands, India.
Manufacturing, it's interesting work, it's hard work.
Manufacturing, it's not dirty. A lot of the stuff that was the old, dirty, grimy perception of manufacturing, it doesn't exist anymore.
Administratively, we obviously have accounting functions up here. We have what we call customer service. People taking the orders from the customer, setting up all of the international shipments.
They say kids don't grow old, they just grow up and their toys get more expensive. It really is, manufacturing really is something that is a true testament to that. You start off in high school or whatever and you're making little things with breadboards and now 3D printing. Our guys and girls that are here are essentially playing with equipment all day.
There's a lot of critical thinking involved and some mechanical ability from each and every person throughout the whole operation.
They're able to invest some of their creativity in the way that we do things. They're getting paid to do it. It has long-term fulfillment and it also has short-term fulfillment. When you say where is the limit into where it can go a lot of different places. It all kind of depends on where you want it to go.